Today I'm a pleasure to introduce you about the Wago new products Pro 2 profile. This product was launched in Hanoi Fair in this April 1st. The major function of this product is communication capability. Communication, we can connect with Ethernet, Profinet, Modbus RTU, and Modbus TCP/IP. And also, we can use a specific module to connect with different field bus. The second character of the product is we can set up the configuration via some software. We can set up the output, voltage current, and some necessary character where some special professional tools. This second function. The third function is the products could be used as ECB. ECB is mean electronic circuit breaker. It's kind of for protection function for the circuit. And also the first main function is we can have a high working efficiency with 96%. 96% working efficiency is the really highest among with all of the power supply products with industry suppliers. And also with a higher working efficiency, we can have a much smaller size and much less heater, and also could provide the efficiency of energy using. So this is the four major functions for our power unit products.